In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your Stripe account from Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into this. Unlinking your Stripe account from Gumroad is a pretty straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. First, you'll want to open or log into your Gumroad account. If you've been using Gumroad for a while, you likely have an account set up already, but if you don't, just head over to the Gumroad website, click on the Login button, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Gumroad dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to your account. Now, the next thing we need to do is navigate to the settings. So look at the left side of the dashboard, and you'll see a menu there. Keep an eye out for the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're in the Settings section, you'll want to find the Payment section. It's usually located towards the top or in the middle of the settings page. When you find it, click on it too. This area is very important because it contains all of your payment processing settings, including your connections to Stripe and PayPal. As you scroll down through this section, keep an eye out for the Stripe connection. If you have previously connected your account, you will see Stripe listed there. You may also see PayPal if you've connected that as well, which is completely normal. Now, here's where the unlinking happens. When you locate the Stripe connection, you should see either a button or an option that says Disconnect or Unlink. It might look slightly different depending on the updates Gumroad might have made, but it will be fairly easy to spot. Once you see it, click on that option. You might get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to disconnect your Stripe account. If you do, just confirm that action. And that's it. You have now successfully unlinked your Stripe account from Gumroad. It's a quick process, but so important if you're looking to switch payment processors, or if you simply don't want to use Stripe anymore. If you need to connect another payment method later on, just return to the Payment section in your settings, and you can add whatever you'd like, whether that's PayPal or another service. Just follow the prompts, and you should be good to go. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that keeping your payment options updated is crucial for managing your sales effectively, especially if you're running an online business. Whether you're a creator, an artist, or someone selling digital products, ensuring your payment flows smoothly will help you avoid complications and keep your customers happy. If you've enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. There will be more informative videos coming your way on various aspects of using Gumroad and managing your online business efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide on unlinking your Stripe account from Gumroad clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Gumroad or anything else, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Happy selling, and until next time.